This 2025 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 8221 MKE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 25 feet 11 inches in length and features a driftwood interior, sleeps 2, water heater, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, slide-out, microwave, awning, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, skylight, LP detector, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features Couples Coach. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 8221 MKE is 5,412 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.